talking about, you don't need a computer. You don't need a computer. Eleanor, you don't need a computer right now because I'm right here in front of you. Hi. Yeah, you don't need one. Thank you. Okay. When I'm talking about an operation in math, am I saying like, oh, I'm going to go to the doctor and have surgery? That kind of operation?
No.
No. What do I mean? What? Oh, Operation the Game? Is that what I'm talking about? Operation the Game where it buzzes at you? All cameras should be on. London, do you have an idea? What do I mean when I say operation?
When we say operation, I think what you mean is when you're with numbers, you're putting them in order.
Ooh, I can see what you're thinking, but no, it's something else. Something else. Operation. I say, what operation are we doing? Think about what can you do.
What math problem are we doing?
Kind of. What can you do with numbers? That's one thing I could do with the numbers. So like flip them upside down, like this. What can I do with numbers? I could subtract numbers. That's one operation. What else could I do with numbers?
Add number.
I can add numbers. That's another operation. What else can I do?
You can divide numbers.
You said divide? Divide. And I can also, Anthony?
Compare.
I can compare numbers. You're right about that, which would be subtraction or division if we have equal groups. But I can also multiply numbers. These are my 4 operations. So when I say operation, this is what I'm talking about. Add, subtract, multiply, divide. What can we do with numbers? We can add them, we can subtract them, we can multiply them, we can divide them. So operations, these things. What's an operation? Add, subtract, multiply, divide. What's an operation? And divide. Very good. Or you could say plus, minus, times, divide. Okay. All right. That's an operation. When I say that, that's what I want you to pop in your head, those little symbols, the little symbols that we have in our equation, not the equal sign. Remember, the equal sign means balanced. It's not something we're doing to numbers. We're balancing, right? That's what equals means. Okay. So today we're going to talk about the inverse operation. Inverse can almost mean like opposite. Y'all are really good at opposites. What's the opposite of up? Down. What's the opposite of dark? Light. What's the opposite of off? We're really good at opposites. Well, there's opposites in math as well. Okay. Each operation has its own opposite. Okay. I'm going to do some teaching. Thank you. Each operation has its own opposite. You with me, Mason? Paying attention? Okay. Because this is important stuff. Each operation has its own opposite. Okay. Today, we're going to focus on addition and subtraction because that's what unit we're in. We're going to come back to multiplication and division in our next unit after this. Yeah, I'm excited about that. I love the multiplication unit. But for today, we're going to talk about addition and subtraction. Wow. Addition and subtraction are opposites. They're opposites of each other. So here I have my operations. Please, you're not going to react when you hear their microphones on. You're not going to because it's just going to make it worse. Make sure your microphones are off because it distracts the class. If we can't handle that, I'm going to mute you. Okay? All right. So we have our operations here, adding and subtraction, addition, subtraction. What are you hiding from me? What are you hiding from me? You are. Can you put them away? You don't need them right now. Focus here, okay? All right. The opposite of addition is subtraction, and the opposite of subtraction is addition. These two operations can help check each other, okay? Because they're opposites, Okay, so we can use one and then use another to check our answer and see if we got it right. Okay, now this is because they are related facts. Say related facts. Okay, so or have you heard of fact families? Does that sound familiar? Okay. I know 2 plus 3 equals 5. Well, the opposite would be subtraction. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Okay. We're going to do stuff like this, but with bigger numbers today. Okay. All right. So you need a dry erase board if you're in the classroom. If you're at home, dry erase board, or if you don't have one, paper and pencil. Oh, I forgot our video. Let's watch our video first. While you're getting your supplies ready. This is what we're going to practice. Uh-oh. Oh no. Is it doing that thing again? Let me grab my Yay, it opened. I'll get my charger just in case.
Today, we're going to see how addition and subtraction.
Need my speaker. Y'all, so many pieces to this technology thing. Killer. Make sure this is on. Turn it up. Rewind and play.
Today, we're going to see how addition and subtraction are related and how you can use the relationship between them to check your work. You probably remember learning about fact families. From fact families, we know that addition can help us check subtraction problems and subtraction can help us check addition problems. Let's take a closer look. Let's look at a subtraction problem such as 486 minus 242. Before we begin, we can estimate the difference. We will estimate by rounding each number to the nearest 10. 486 rounds to 490, and 242 rounds to 240. Then, 490 minus 240 equals 250. Begin by subtracting ones, then tens, then hundreds, so our difference is 244. Now we can create an addition problem to check our subtraction. Use the difference to...
Okay, say inverse operation. Read it backwards. Good, that's what you're gonna do. Inverse operation, read it backwards. So you have, here's our original equation.
I still do not get it what the video is telling me.
Okay, I'm gonna have to go ahead and put y'all on mute because you keep interrupting me. I'm literally telling you right now what the video is saying, and you won't let me talk. So everybody's on mute. Thank you. Okay, so we have 486 minus 242, okay? And the answer they got was 244. When I say inverse operation, I want you to say, read it backwards. Ready? Inverse operation? Okay, what I mean by that is you're going to start at the bottom. Look, pay attention. Start at the bottom. 244, then use the opposite of subtraction, which is addition. 244 plus 242 should equal 486. I'm going to say that again. Ready? Inverse operation? Inverse operation? No, you were supposed to say read it backwards. Inverse operation?
Read it backwards.
There you go. 244 plus 242 should equal 486. Do you understand what I mean when I say read it backwards? We're going from the bottom to the top. Okay, and that's what we're going to write right here. 244 plus 242. And our answer should be this top number. Eleanor, you really don't need a computer right now. I'm standing right in front of you.
244 as one addend. Use the number we subtracted, 242, as the other addend. Then we find the sum 244 plus 242. The sum, 486, matches the number we subtracted from.
Okay, 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. 486. Did we get the same number we started with? Check. We know we got it correct. All right, we're going to do some practice in just a minute.
That means we did our subtraction correctly. Well done. You saw here that addition can help you check your subtraction answer. Go ahead and try an addition problem. Then use subtraction to check your answer. Good luck.
All right. Now have your markers ready. Oh, come on. This thing drives me crazy. Okay, I'm gonna use 3 different colors. You just use one. Okay, I'm using 3 different colors to kind of show you the like pattern, kind of. Okay, but you just use one color. All right, so 275. Write that. Minus. Let's do 162. 275 minus 162. London, honey, turn around so you can see. Silly. Okay, so first step is we're going to subtract. Okay, let's go. Start working. All right, 5 minus 2. Come on, guys. Y'all should know 5 minus 2 like that. You have got to get on extra math every day if it takes you that long to tell me 5 minus 2. I'm concerned. 7 minus 6?
1.
Good. 2 minus 1?
1.
Excellent.
113.
So 113. Now, we're going to check using the inverse operation. Okay? Inverse operation? Read it backwards. Inverse operation? All right, so we're going to write 113 plus, y'all look up here first. Let's say it first. Let's say it first instead of writing it first. I'm still waiting for eyes. All eyes should be here. Eleanor. Okay, 113 plus 162 should equal 275. Okay, remember you're always doing the opposite. So the opposite of minus is plus. Okay, so now let's write that. Now look at the colors I'm using. I'm doing this very much on purpose. Okay, so you have written down 113 plus 162. Check. Okay, let's add them together. 3 plus 2 is 1 plus 6 is 1 plus 1 is
2.
Did we get what we started with? And we know we did it correctly. Now, look at the colors I used. The colors match the numbers. So I did dark blue, light blue, red, and then I did it backwards. Red, light blue, dark blue. So it was backwards the second time. Because in inverse operation, we're reading it backwards. So sometimes that color might help you see it a little bit better. Okay? All right, let's try another one. Let's do 225 minus 141. Oops, I forgot to change colors. 225 minus 141. 225 minus 141. Check. Ready? Okay, now this time I'm going to subtract. You're going to watch me. Don't say anything. Don't, like, if you think you're going to say something, cover your mouth. Don't say anything. I'm going to subtract. Ready? Okay, go ahead and write my answer down. I said don't say anything. So I wrote 225 minus 144, and my answer is 124. So write down my answer. Okay, now we're going to check using the inverse operation. Inverse operation.
Read it backwards.
Read it backwards. 124 plus 141 should equal 225. Let's check it. 124 plus 141 should equal 225. Okay, so let's see what we got. What's 4 plus 1?
5.
What's 2 plus 4?
6.
What's 1 plus 1?
2.
Did we have come with the same answer?
No.
What does that tell you? I did something wrong. I did something wrong and I need to go back and look. Let's go back. Do you think I did anything wrong here with my addition?
No.
No, my addition is correct. So if my addition's correct, what does that tell me? My subtraction is incorrect. My subtraction is wrong. I need to check my subtraction. Ethan, did you figure out my mistake? What's my mistake? On the subtraction, I need to regroup. What place? The hundreds, tens, or ones place? The tens place. Check this out. So 5 minus 1, is that 4? Okay, 2 minus 4. Put 2 fingers in front of your face. Say, I have 2 M&Ms. Can you eat 4?
No.
Okay, what this says is I have 2 M&Ms. I'm going to eat 4, and then I have 2 left over? Does that make any sense? No, like that. What we tried to do was 4 minus 2. You can't switch the numbers. No, no, no. More on the floor. Go next door and get 10 more. So this is not correct. So I can't do this. I need to regroup. So cross out the 2. I'm taking 1 away from the 2. So what's left in the hundreds place? Just a 1. That 1 that I took, I like to squeeze it in here so you know that's a 12. Or some of you, maybe you like to cross out the 2 and rewrite it. Okay. I like to squeeze it in so I don't forget that there's 1. Sometimes people cross it out and then they write 10 instead of 12 because they forget about the 2. So, okay, now can I do 12 minus 4? Yes, I can do that. So 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. 1 minus 1?
1 minus 1.
0. Okay, so now let's go back and check our work again. So I got 84 for my subtraction. Is that what you got? Some of you didn't because you're not doing anything. So I need to change this to 84. Okay, 4 plus 1 is 5. Check. 8 plus 4. 8. Need to switch colors. 9, 10, 11, 12. Put the 2 down here. Regroup your 1. 1 plus 1. 2. 225. 225. That's what we started with. We got it. So if those numbers don't match, it's like beep, beep, beep. Hello, you did something wrong. You need to go back and check. That's why inverse operation is so important. It's a problem used to check another problem. That's what I love about math is there's one answer and you can prove it. You can be like, I know this is the answer because this plus this equals this. Okay? All right, we're going to do some practice on this. Yes, you can erase. You can put it away. This is what you're doing on your assignment. Okay? Boys and girls in the classroom. You have this. I want you to open yours and go to at the bottom where it says Miss Vanderveer's group. But I'm also going to give you this, okay? Whoa. Name and date on your paper as soon as you get it. Name and date on your paper. Nobody needs their computer except for Manasseh. Math independent work. I think go to Tuesday. So this assignment is going to look a little bit like this. Okay, do you have your math independent work assignment open? Hold on, Andres, I'm trying to turn the sound back on. Come on. Man, sometimes that bar goes away and it won't come back. Okay. Andres, yes? Oh, there we go. Andres?
I think I did the math independent work earlier by accident.
I'm sorry, honey. I'm not understanding what you're saying. Can you maybe step back a little bit from your computer? Say it again.
When at 11:15, I checked the agenda, but it says math lesson, but I think I did the math independent work on accident.
That's okay. Go ahead and open it and let's check it out. Okay? Because you might need to correct some stuff. Okay. So Miss Vandeveer's group, your assignment is down here. So David and Anthony, your assignment is down here. Okay. Everyone else, you are here on Tuesday. Open your assignment.
Burden's coming.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Okay, Andres, let me just send it back to you. I haven't even checked it, so. So just open it on back up. Although, at a glance, it looks like you may have done it correctly. I just haven't checked any of the math. So, man, Andres, you didn't even need this lesson. You already knew what to do. Oh, my goodness, look. An entire slide that's bright yellow that says directions in big giant words. What do you think we should do? You think so? Oh, what a great idea. Okay, directions. Use paper and pencil, okay? Y'all have a piece of paper in front of you, so you don't even need the computer. Boys and girls online, use paper and pencil or a dry erase board to solve each subtraction problem. Then type your answers in the blue boxes. See the blue boxes? Okay. Then check each problem using the inverse operation in the green boxes. Okay, so we're going to do one together. Everybody, pick up your pencils. We're doing number 1. It looks the same on your paper. You just don't have the blue and green box. Just look at this one as I go over it, okay? And then I'm going to let you decide. Do you want to do it here or here? I'm probably might have you to go. Okay. So I did the first subtraction equation. It says 362 minus 241. 2 minus 1 is 1. 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now, in the green box, I have to check my answer using the inverse operation. Inverse operation. Read it backwards. So what I'm going to write is 121 plus 241 should equal 362. Do not just write 362. Do your math, okay? Do your math. You got a brain. I want you to use it. Okay. Now, you can, if you want to make your letter or your numbers bigger so you have one in each box, you can. You don't have to. You can type it like this. Come on. You can type it like this, or if you want to stretch it out, put one in each box, you can, like that. It's whatever you want to do online. Okay. In class, you're putting 1 in each box. So go ahead and, if you haven't already, number 1, write 121.
What happens if we already have that?
Plus 241. Okay, now we're going to add these. We're not just going to write the third number down. We're going to add them together. What's 1 plus 1? 2. Okay. Oh, you know what? I did something wrong. That's my problem. I didn't do it on paper. I'm not being a good example. Okay. Those of y'all at home, I know I'm backwards, but I'm going to show you what you should be doing at home, okay? I was being a bad example at first. Okay, so, because the directions say, use paper and pencil or dry erase board to work out the problem first. So first it was 362 minus 241. 1, 2, 1. Now I type. Remember, right, type, right, type. Okay, now I, see if y'all can see me. Now I come back, okay, and I read it backwards. 121. 121 plus 241. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. 1 plus 2 is 3. 362. Now I write. Now I type. Okay? Right. Type. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to my thing. So 362. Okay. Online, does that make sense? Do you know what you're going to do? Okay. I had a couple people in the first group that left the entire green box empty. So they did half of the work, so they got half a grade. That's not good. Don't leave the green box empty. If you forget what to do, read the directions. They tell you what to do. Okay? Right.
I got the same answer in the green box in a different way.
Let me see if I can unplug this and understand you. Say that again, Andres. understand you.
I think I got the same answer as you did when I
Good.
do it in the green box.
Good. Excellent. That means you did it right. Go ahead and check all the others, Andres, because I know you did it earlier. So go ahead and check all the others. Okay. Do you know what you're going to do?
Yeah, but how do I get there?
Math independent work. Modules, math independent work. Modules, math independent work. In the classroom, you should be working. Please do start with 1 through 6. Don't go in a column. Do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Okay. Can y'all come back at 2:20? 2:20. Anthony and David, you stay.
Okay.
Because yours looks a little different. Okay, so bye-bye, guys. I'll see you back here at 2:20. I need you to log off so I can talk.
Can I submit?
Yes, I need you to log off so I can talk to David and Anthony. And Anthony left. Mm-hmm. No? What question are you on? You can do 164 minus 38. But I also told you to do 1 through 6. So stop and do 1 through 6. I know, but stop and then go do 1 through 6. I need everyone off the call unless your name is David and Anthony. Annabella, I need you to go. Ami, Isaac, I need you to go. DeMarcus, I need you to go. Okay. All right, so you look up here because yours is the same. Okay, so David, make sure you're looking at my screen. Anthony, make sure you're looking at my screen. Joshua O, make sure you're looking at your paper and you're working. Put your dry erase boards up. You're going to ruin that dry erase board by writing on top of it. Don't write on top of it. Okay, David, Anthony, and Manasseh. You're in Math Independent Work. And you scroll down and you find Miss Vanderveer's group.
I already
Excellent.
found it.
Okay, but I just want to show you because yours looks a little bit different.
Miss Halbert, do you forget to stop recording?
Andres, I really need you to leave the call so that I can talk to the other twos, okay?